This all-brick and unit condo has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office and 2-car garage. There is guest parking available next to the unit, and a side yard for the pets. Great floor plan and move-in ready. Kitchen is roomy and has a nice eat-in area. Living dining combination with a great fireplace is the center point to the room. Living room and dining overlook a cozy patio. Master bedroom overlooks a separate patio, and has a shower, garden tub and dual sinks.
Text U109417 to 510044 for current information.